Guava tree is a small tropical fruit tree native to Mexico, Central America, and northern South America. It's known for its edible fruit that can grow as shrub or small tree reaching heights of 3 to 10 meters. Guava trees are evergreen and can be found in humid grasslands and along roadsides. Guava trees can grow to 20 feet or 6 meters tall but are often prone to 8 feet or shorter. They prefer full sun and well-drained soil. Guava fruit can be eaten fresh, used jams, or made into beverages. Guava leaves have been used traditionally for various medicinal purposes. Various parts of the plant, including the leaf and the fruit, are used as medicine. People use guava leaf for stomach and intestinal conditions, pain, diabetes, and wound healing. Guavas are rich in antioxidants which can help protect against cell damage and oxidative stress. It is also high in vitamin C, which can help boost the immune system and fight off infections. Guava contain fiber, which can help support digestive health and prevent constipation. Leaves and fruits have been used in traditional medicine for various purposes, including treating diarrhea and fever. Guava trees are versatile and valuable plants, providing numerous health benefits, culinary uses, and cultural significance. Before we end this vlog, let's answer the question, why is Philippine biodiversity important? Philippine biodiversity important because it provides essential ecosystem services like food, water, and medicines, supports tourism and fisheries, and also contributes to climate regulation and natural disaster protection.